Look at all these cool things we're seeing today, coming up right after the map. Hey everybody, this is Travel Towner, and we are taking a walking tour of the mega Don Quijote store in Shinjuku, which is in Tokyo, Japan. Let's get into it and see what it's all about. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help keep these videos coming. Welcome to Don Quijote, or Donki, as everyone calls it. This isn't just a store, it's an adventure. A neon maze, a treasure hunt, a little bit of chaos rolled into one. Today we're going inside the mega Don Quijote store in Shinjuku, one of Tokyo's wildest shopping spots. Let's see what surprises are waiting in here. First thing you want to do is grab a basket. You'll need it. Donki is packed with so much stuff you'll be picking up things every 5 seconds. And you can look for a little wheeled cart if you're going in for a serious haul. They're like a secret weapon for tourists who don't want to juggle towers of KitKats. Speaking of KitKats, they have lots of different flavors. Matcha, sake, purple sweet potato, strawberry cheesecake. These are flavors you will never see in the United States. And they keep changing, so every visit is like a surprise. Donki is the best place to grab snacks for friends back home without spending airport prices. Here's something fun. Don Quijote has its own theme song. It's called Miracle Shopping, and it plays non-stop 24/7, all day, all night. Let's give it a listen. Well, look at this. We've got Japan's national symbol, Godzilla. Now, if you duck into the basement, it feels like a totally different store. This is Donki's grocery world. Drinks are stacked high, and you'll have endless ramen varieties and snacks you've never seen before. It's not always the cheapest in town, but it is perfect if you want to grab a bag of goodies to go. All right, let's walk around a little more and see what else we can see. Here's something a lot of tourists miss. Donki is vertical. Floors are stacked upon one another, each with its own universe. If you look only at the first floor, you're skipping 80% of the fun. So hit that elevator and explore. Floor 3 is a lifesaver for travelers. You need an extra suitcase? Right here. Toothpaste, sunscreen, eye drops, or Japanese medicine? Done. Some of these, like Roto eye drops or Biore sunscreen, are famous for tourists because they're high quality and dirt cheap compared to the US. Here's a money-saving hack. If you spend over 5,000 yen in one shot, you can shop tax-free, but you'll need your passport to show to the cashier.
税込み5500円以上お買い。
Now here's a curveball. Donki also sells luxury goods. Rolex, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, sometimes brand new and sometimes pre-owned, but always real. It's wild to go from discount KitKats downstairs to a wall of Rolex watches upstairs, but even if you're not shopping, it's worth taking a peek. Let's check out some of the rest of the store.
So this is the most popular hair oil in Japan. It's called hair and hair oil. This really cute pink package. Okay, let's try. Okay,
化妆可以选这个润色款，低脂改进防晒加轻薄底妆，像人气色0.1号，是紫色零纽质地，我觉得修饰毛孔和暗沉都很给力，不用粉底都能达到自然的痕迹。
On floor 2, it is Toy Central. Pokemon plushies, Lego sets, anime figures, and character goods are everywhere. Whether you're buying gifts for your kids or you're just a collector at heart, this floor is impossible to skip, and the prices are better than most tourist spots. Back down on the first floor, check out the souvenir section here with fans and chopsticks and tea sets, quirky gadgets, and even costumes sometimes. It's the perfect one-stop shop if you're about to head home and realize you forgot to pick up something. Here's one final trick. You can come late at night. This Don Quijote is open 24 hours, and after midnight, the crowds thin out. The store feels calmer, but alive with neon lights and music. It's part shopping and part sightseeing. This is the Shinjuku Mega Don Quijote. A little chaotic, a little overwhelming, but unforgettable. From quirky snacks to luxury watches, it's the kind of place you'll talk about long after your trip. And whether you buy just one KitKat or fill a suitcase, the experience alone is worth it. Thanks for coming along on this journey. If you're into POV drives, walking tours, and discovering new places, go ahead and give this video a like and feel free to share it with friends. It really helps more people find the channel. If you're enjoying this kind of content, hit subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss what's next. We'll keep exploring new places, taking scenic drives, and traveling down new roads. Hope to see you in the next one.